What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing okay. Make sure wash your hands, blow your nose, stay safe. Um, I know a lot of barbers out there stopped working because of this pandemic that's going around. But I just want to say, stay strong, guys. It will be over soon, hopefully by next month or so. Um, yeah, so I'm just making this video uh, because I haven't introduced myself. For those who are new to my channel, my name is Momo. I'm a barber here at Jakobs University Bremen, Bremen in Germany, and I am a beginner barber. I just started cutting people's hair since last year, and I don't have enough experience. And if you guys also see any mistakes or any spots that are missing or anything that you notice, make sure to leave a comment below, and let's get into the video. Alright, just like usual, I always started off with flattening out the side of hair by using 2-guard open, making sure all the hair has the same length. Sometimes I use 3 close, but then this time I'll start off with 2-guard open. And the next thing is 0-guard close. You want to create a guideline around the head. My client wanted a drop fade, so I drop the line towards the back of his head. I'm gonna be honest with you all, but today's haircut wasn't my best. I made a couple mistakes, spot to spot, time to time, so I want to point out my mistakes. The next thing is 0-guard open. You want to go up on about an inch, like a 2.5 centimeter, but then as you can see, I went up too high in the front and too low towards the back, which makes it uneven distribution of guideline space. Close on the lever and I flick that line, and open up the lever as I go up. Next step is 1-guard open, go up on about another inch, so like a 2.5 centimeter again, around 2 centimeters, yeah, and go up on about an inch and follow that guideline. You can already tell I pushed up a bit too high in front and then too low in the back side, so it's not even. So right now I'm trying my best to blend the fade. So I'm using the 1/2-guard right now, 1/2-guard close to flick that line again and open up the lever as I go up. So right now I'm using 2-guard open, and this time I don't want to create harsh guideline, but I'm just flicking out motion to blend in the previous guideline and the top of hair. So right now I'm using 1.5 guard open, and then blend in the guidelines between 1 open and 2 open. And the blend is coming out. right now I'm just using 3-guard open to fix the top hair. So right now I'm just doing the detail work. Transition is not too dynamic, so I'm trying to blend in more better by doing more detail work. So I'm struggling with that dark spot right there. So right now I'm just shaping up his hairline, cleaning up the side. But honestly though, yeah. So this is the final look of the haircut. This is not the way I wanted to cut in the first place, but overall it turns out pretty good. The transition is pretty great and the fade came out pretty fire, but I could have done better, definitely. But if you guys like it or want to see more of these videos, and I'll see you next week. Peace.